And the hatch is open to the crew lock section of Quest. Christina Cook now will work in tandem with Jessica Meir to bring in the two spacewalkers. And Luca Parmitano, the space station commander, now being assisted back inside the equipment lock. This was the 222nd spacewalk in support of space station assembly and maintenance, the 9th spacewalk out of the International Space Station this year. Luca Parmitano completed the 3rd spacewalk in his career, now totaling 14 hours, 18 minutes of spacewalking time. This was the 4th spacewalk for Drew Morgan. He has now logged 26 hours and 57 minutes of spacewalks. The 222 spacewalks in support of space station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades now have totaled 1,395 hours and 8 minutes of spacewalking time, which is the equivalent of 58 days, 3 hours, and 8 minutes of spacewalking time since spacewalks began at the station in December of 1998.